waterproof core hardwood and laminate.
Wow.
They'll come over and measure with a laser and guarantee their installation for life. Think of it like you're getting 1/3 off. You buy 2 square feet of select flooring and S&G gives you one for free.
To spend now.
What?
Well, I think 1/3.
No, you're looking at this
S&G's
wrong.
buy 2, get 1 free sale.
Yeah.
Saves me 1/3, so now I have that to spend.
You don't feel guilty spending what we saved?
Yeah, no.
There's no guilt in saving 1/3 off core, hardwood, or laminate during S&G's buy 2, get 1 free sale. Plus, they'll be by 10%, and the price they quote is always the price you pay. S&G more than carpet. Go to SDcarpet.com for the showroom nearest you, or to have their mobile showroom come to you.
When you're locked up for a violent crime, how do you come to terms with the harm you've caused, and what will stop you from doing it again?
You didn't kill the person physically, but you killed her soul.
Me inside Soledad State Prison, Monday morning right here on the Bay Area's #1 news station, KCBS, and streaming live on the Odyssey app. KCBS News Time, 10:18, taking a look at your 6-day forecast right after we go back to San Jose with Ted Ramey.
Yeah, we've got a number of problems going on right now. 880 northbound before Coleman, accident in the left lane. That's got you slow once you get past Bascom. Also, 280 north, the connector ramp to 87 south, currently shut down by Caltrans. They're doing some work there. 101 south out of the Coyote Valley, heading into Morgan Hill and towards Gilroy is doing its typical Saturday morning fill-in. Same story for 17 south out of Campbell into. If we go to the upper deck of the Bay Bridge, we've got a stall 80 westbound. This is just before you get to the island, blocking the left lane. They have not officially flipped on those on right now, or they will be coming very shortly. So do expect your slowdowns 80 westbound from Golden Gate Fields into the Bays and 580 west from 24 to start to get heavier. You're slow and go across the entirety of the upper deck, and also the upper deck of Richmond Center. 580 westbound, that's filling in as well from the toll plaza out towards Midspan. Your next update, 10 later, KCBS. Thank you, Chad. Looking at your 6-day forecast, it looks pretty similar today and tomorrow. We have the night and morning fog. It burns off. Fog may hang out at the coast a little bit. Otherwise, temperatures 60s, 60s, 70s at the beaches, 70s, 80s around the bay, 80s to the upper 90s today, a little bit cooler tomorrow, and then Monday through Thursday, ever so slightly cooler. The fog at the coast in the morning, highs from the 60s at the coast to the upper 80s to mid-90s inland. Traffic and weather together on the 8s on All News 106.9 AM 740. KCBS, sponsored by the Walk Shop in Berkeley, the Bay Area's favorite walking shoe store, inviting you to put a spring in your step. KCBS News Time, 10:20. Some minor league baseball teams are reaching new heights of popularity from unusual and novelty team names. CBS correspondent Chris Van Cleve has more on the duo leading that creative rebranding.
Baseball is back in Beloit, Wisconsin. Even on a Tuesday night in the middle of the summer, more than 1,000 fans filled the brand new $33 million stadium, home to the Sky Carp, formerly known as the Snappers. Why change the team name?
New ownership, new stadium, and just kind of a fresh start, right? Beloit Snappers in general, the brand had been kind of fading. They only had 7 season ticket holders before we took over ownership back in 2019.
7 season ticket holders?
Seven. Count them on your hand, 7 season ticket holders.
With so few fans, this minor league affiliate of the Miami Marlins needed some big league help. Maria Valentine is the team's vice president of entertainment.
We wanted something that would get the community excited again about baseball and feeling that this team was going to survive.
Excitement is what these two lifelong best friends do. Jason Klein and Casey Weiser, plus Matt Fielders, the San Diego-based Grandiose. Their business grew out of their desire to create the ultimate high school mascot. That's Jason in the costume. He spent his college years as Big Al the Elephant, the University of Alabama's mascot, while both studied art and design.
We sent 150 letters to every morning. We want to go back to
experience that's consistently left fans wanting more. Like the Richmond Flying Squirrels, the El Paso Chihuahuas, the Akron Rubber Ducks, the Jacksonville Jumbo Shrimp, and those Beloit Sky Carp, local slang for the Canadian geese that call the city home year-round.
We wanted people to step into this world like identification.
It sounds a lot like what you're doing is trying to build a
Minor league baseball has always said this is unfortunate. Our job, I see the bring dignity to these towns. The challenge for us is how do we go into communities, figure out what that story is, and then celebrate it by creating a whole world that reinforces that thing so proud of.
and then you're creating an experience around that story. It's kind of the businessification of that team.
The idea is that no matter what type of day you have prior to the baseball game, you can try to step into this other world where there's mascots playing your kids, where there's on there's really names, there's promotions, and they all reinforce everything that you love about the community. And that it's celebrating some stories that mean a lot to you.
Arguably their biggest success, Rolison outside of Huntsville, Alabama.
The ownership group hesitated a lot using the word trash in their name. I don't want trash to be associated with our name. You can't have trash. That's not going to be a good look. It's not going to sell.
But oh, did it sell? The Rocket City Trash Panda? Just as baseball ground to a halt. The Trash Panda's first season canceled in 2020 due to the pandemic.
We sold $2.3 million in merchandise before playing a Trash Pandas game and helped keep us afloat there. It kept all of our employees, full-time employees here. It kept the business from going under, and we were able to get by.
Losing your inaugural season cost our franchise.
Probably close to $15-17 million.
But since then, the Trash Pandas are a great town. They boast some of the highest attendance in the minors, and their swag has outsold everyone. What happened when the pandemic hit?
Pandemic hit, there's no baseball. No baseball means no fans, no money, no brandy up. And so we had to do Hail Mary.
That's Chris Van Cleave reporting. And we're on to the Money Watch.
Wealthy Americans are flocking to Florida at 4 times the rate of any other state. I'm Jeff Baldwin of Fortune Magazine. The Fortune Business Update. The wealthy like Florida for what it has, warm weather and lots of beaches. A state income tax. That's largely why it has welcomed more high earners than any other state, says a new analysis from Smart Assets, which helps people find financial advisors. The report analyzed IRS data on net migration among U.S. households earning over $200,000 annually. Florida's net influx of 20,000 high was nearly 4 times the number for the second most popular state, Texas, which also has no state income. The pandemic may have accelerated the trend. More people decided to retire, and the rise of remote work unshackled employees from the office, so they can live wherever they like. I'm Jeff Golden.
San Francisco Opera is celebrating 100 years of producing thrilling opera in the Bay Area. In honor of this centennial, the Golden $10 tickets at great seating locations to anyone within a Bay Area zip code who has not attended the opera for years. San Francisco Opera's 100th anniversary season begins this September. Come and celebrate. Visit sfopera.com/opera for the Bay to claim your tickets.
This summer is the perfect time to hit the open road in a new Chevy. Find exciting new possibilities, new perspectives, and new ways to have fun in the sun. But it's impressive that we capabilities
purchase required. Advertised fare not available on all flights. Additional restrictions apply. See terms and conditions at airport.com.
CBS News Time 1028. Problem spot continues to be San Jose. What's happening now, Tim?
Yeah, we have a car fire, one on southbound. And anytime there's flames, people like to take a look, so it's a little bit slower than even just normal blockage would be. When they do, it might be cleared, but they are waiting for flatbed truck. CHP is on scene. Also 880 northbound approaching Coleman. Accident there, blocking the left lane. They're waiting for a tow truck to arrive there to get it out of lanes. Also 280 northbound, the connector to 17. That currently is shut down due to road work. So that's another problem in the mix in the South Bay. 17 south out of Bass, or excuse me, out of Campbell into Los Gatos. So that's pretty difficult for a Saturday morning, but everything else around the South Bay right now. Your next update is going to be at 10:38 on the traffic leader, KCBS.
Today, a little splash of some patchy fog along the coast. Otherwise, sunshine for all of us. Temperatures ranging from the 60s right at the coast, 60s, 70s, even some 80s around the bay, into the upper 90s inland tomorrow, much the same, and then